Hey everybody, just want to touch on a few highlights for HootSuite for you. First, at the top we have the tweet bar. This is where you can put your updates, whether they're from Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, WordPress.com. You can insert them here and send them now, schedule them for later, and also do shrink any URLs that are long, also add photos and images. So we've got a lot going on up here in the tweet bar. Down below in the main body of the HootSuite dashboard, I love this feature. There are multiple tabs that I have set up. They're very easy to add. You simply click on the plus button and name the new tab, and away you go. The great part about this is underneath each tab you have the ability to have columns. You can have up to 10 columns. This first tab for me, Bill Risser, shows my home feed, which is my main Twitter feed, direct messages in, people mentioning me, direct messages out. A nice feature, I want to change the order of these, I can just simply drag and drop and change the order, so it makes sense for me. So very easy to use. Within each tweet, of course, we have all the information we need. I can click on AAR Success here, and I can actually go directly to Sage at AAR and see what she's all about. I can also, favorite this tweet, direct message, reply, or retweet all from here. So very simple to do. The other, adding columns is easy. If I was to click here, I can add a column to this tab. There are multiple types of columns I can add. The first one would be a social network feed, so I can choose from any of these feeds if I have them. I can do keyword tracking and just try and search for words or phrases within tweets. I can do a search. This is really helpful for hashtag searches. And I can also do a Twitter list. It works both ways. I can create a Twitter list on twitter.com and import it to HootSuite, and vice versa. So very powerful tool. I also wanted to show you some of the stats that HootSuite brings to the user. You're able to see a summary of how many links that you've sent out via a tweet on HootSuite have been clicked through. You can also, this is a summary of a week, but you can also go into the individual messages, and under those individual messages I can scroll down, find something in here, and click View Stats, and it will show me how many clicks that individual tweet received and on what day. So this ability allows you to really, this feature allows you to really see what kind of links are getting activity, maybe help you direct what sort of messages your audience is interested in. So love the ability, all in one place, and all, of course, for my favorite price, free from HootSuite.com. And finally, the Hootlet. This is very important. I've pre-installed this. I've already dragged the little owl up into my toolbar, and I got it right here in my toolbar in Firefox. It does work in Firefox, IE, and Chrome. And if I'm browsing the web, for example, I found this site earlier and it talks about selecting a real estate search vendor. Well, that's something that's important to people that follow me, so I'm going to go ahead and send this out as a tweet. Instead of cutting and pasting a URL and going through the regular routine, I'm simply going to click on the Hootlet. It's going to bring up a small dialog box for me to fill out. It pre-fills in the name of the site and the link to the site. I can add a few words here, that kind of personalizes the tweet a little bit. Good search summary. That's what we'll call this one, especially if I can type. So good search summary, and I'll go ahead and send this out. And it's that simple. All I've got to do is say it's coming from me, Bill Risser. I can choose any of these profiles. I could send it to Facebook and LinkedIn if I so desire. I can schedule it for later, but I'll go ahead and send it now. And I've just quickly, while browsing the web, using the Hootlet feature of HootSuite, I'm able to provide relevant information to my followers. So I think HootSuite's a very powerful Twitter client. I love the fact that it's web-based, as opposed to some others you have to download directly to your machine. Wherever you've got internet access, you've got access to HootSuite. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know. My contact information is at the bottom of the article, and happy tweeting. Bye.